How to activate Bank of America credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To activate Bank of America credit card, the easiest way is to use your online banking ID and passcode. For this, you can access your Bank of America application if you have installed in your device. If not, launch a preferred browser and search for secure.bankofamerica.com. After which, you can check out for the activation of credit card. Right over here, if you already have yourself your online banking ID and passcode, select on the option of sign in to online banking. Then enter your user ID and password to log in. Simply after that, your ID would be verified and you'll get the chance to activate your credit card online. If you have not enrolled in your online banking, you have another option to enroll in online banking. You can click on it, which will redirect you to a new page to create yourself an account. Start off by entering your card or account number. Then enter your social security number or tax ID number. If you don't have either of it, select on Don't Have. Then you can enter your account number, ATM or debit card number, or ATM or debit card PIN. Then click on the Continue button. By this way, you'll be able to activate your Bank of America credit card online. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.